You know, trading is funny. One moment, you feel like you've cracked the code. You enter a trade, the market goes in your favor, and suddenly you feel like a genius. But then, in the blink of an eye, everything flips. That same market that made you smile now takes back everything. And you're left staring at your empty account balance, asking yourself, why does this keep happening to me? If you've ever felt that way, this story is for you. There was a trader, let's call him Daniel. Daniel wasn't different from you or me. He found Forex on YouTube. He saw the flashy cars, the lifestyle, the profits. And he thought, this is it. My way out. My escape from struggle. With so much excitement, he opened his first account. Just $100. His first trade? He made $15 profit. Oh, the joy! He couldn't stop smiling. If I can make $15 in a few minutes, then in a month, I'll be rich. But reality came fast. The next day, he lost half the account. The next week, the account was gone. Did that stop him? No. He deposited again. And again. And again. Every trader knows this cycle. Deposit. Blow the account. Swear never again. Deposit again. Daniel was no different. He tried strategies, indicators, signals, Telegram groups. Nothing worked. And the worst part? The shame. The lies. When his family asked, how's that trading thing going? He forced a smile and said fine. But deep inside, his MT4 balance was zero. He couldn't sleep at night. Head replay charts in his head, if only I entered here. I would have caught that move. One day, Daniel borrowed money just to fund another account. He told himself, this time will be different. But in one night, because of revenge trading, he blew it all. That was the night he stared at the screen and whispered, maybe. I'm not meant for this. But you know something? Sometimes, hitting rock bottom is what wakes you up. One morning, Daniel didn't rush to the charts. Instead, he picked up a book on trading psychology. And the very first line hit him like a slap. Trading is not about the market. It's about you. The biggest battle is not on the chart but in your mind. That was the turning point. He finally understood. The problem wasn't the market. The problem was him. Changed his approach. He wrote one rule, never risk more than 1%. He started journaling every single trade, wins and losses. He stopped trading when emotions took over. He built patience. And slowly, things began to shift. The losses didn't disappear. But they no longer destroyed him. The accounts didn't blow up anymore. For the first time, Daniel felt in control. His account didn't grow fast, but it grew steady. And that's when he realized the truth. Forex is not about getting rich quick. It's about staying in the game long enough to let consistency work for you. Maybe you're like Daniel. Maybe you've blown accounts. Maybe you've lied to yourself. Or even thought of quitting. But listen to me. Failure in trading is not final unless you quit. The pain you feel right now, it's shaping the discipline you'll need tomorrow. Trading will test your patience. It will test your emotions. It will strip you of greed, ego, and shortcuts. But if you stay, if you learn, if you grow, it will give you something no 9-to-5 job can ever give you, freedom. So I'll leave you with this question. Not can you make money in Forex? But can you master yourself long enough to wait for the money to come? Pause, soft voice. Because when you can, that's when you stop being just another trader. And you finally become a professional. If this story touched you, don't rush to place another trade right now. Instead, take a notebook. Write your rules. Build your environment. And remember this. Your greatest edge is not your strategy. Your greatest edge is your discipline.